Aquarius. Someone that's playing for you is D4L. So someone might be down for life in a situation. So whether you fucking with somebody for life, somebody down with you for life, or you down for life, or something's going down and it's gonna be for life type shit. It's a change is occurring because it was just 555. You may be dealing with a Libra. You don't have to be though. Some may not want to it's like someone may not want to give up the space or a situation with you, or someone may not want to stop or cease expressing in communication with you in some way, shape, or form. It's like someone don't want to give up. Someone wants to be down for life in regards to a space they share with you, or you want to be down for life. You don't want to give up on something you're doing. You want to be down for life in regards to a space you are in. Someone sees you as stability, or you see something as stability. You taking control, or someone wants to take control because something ended. Now you could see clearly in regards to what you want to emotionally invest in, or look, you always make an appearance in your own shit. And Aquarius is being read by an Aquarius, and the Aquarius card came out. I mean, come on, Aquarius. But whatever. I'm really every sign, but that's a whole different. Oh, that fell out sideways. We're not going to do that. But you're trying to figure out if you should go in a direction or not. Whether you should do something or you should not do something. You feel like something's already explained. You feel like something's already communicated and expressed. So it's like you're holding back communication in some way, shape, or form regarding something that makes you happy. Or someone's holding back communication in regards to you because they feel like something's already expressed, something's already known, something's already seen in regards to a situation with you, and that makes them happy. You know, again, put your foot in the shoe that fits you. I'm putting that back because it fell out sideways. We don't take sideways cards anymore, at least. It's too often. So that's playing for you is work out. See, I'm telling you, if it's you out versus you want to work something out with somebody, or you want to make something work out. You're trying to make something work. Or if it's you versus someone outside of you, and someone outside of you wants to make something work with you, or someone wants to attempt to get something to work with you. You feel me? Yeah, the first card out. You're in a state where it's like whether the emotional cup is you bringing your emotions to others and or something external to you. You're investing your feelings into ideas, people, places, things. You feel me? It's like you're investing your feelings somewhere. Or you are in the state where you know how you feel in regards to something you're passionate about. A seed you've planted, and now you're in the state to whether accept or reject emotions in some way, shape, or form. You're no longer just accepting any old feelings or any old emotions or any old ideas. Your ideas and the feelings you receive are getting surveyed first. You feel me? And that's because it's like once upon a time, you were emotionally invested in something that, first things first, didn't make you happy, and second, put you in conflict. You may be dealing with a Libra because Libra had these same two cards, but you don't have to be. Because these were out for Libra, these not out for you. Yeah, work out. See, someone could be bringing you emotions, making you an emotional based offer, trying to work something out with you. Someone want to work something out with you, Aquarius. Like, did we have a good thing? Yeah. Now, whether you done lying to you, it's like you no longer accepting lies. You're no longer lying to yourself, or you're just no longer accepting lies from other people. This is what I'm telling you. It's like every emotional-based offer or every feeling-based thing that makes you feel or wants to bring emotions out of you, or whether someone brings you emotions or you gain emotions from, it's like you get emotional from an external source. It's like those emotions are being observed first before they can be harbored. You feel me? Is this a good way to feel? Or should I walk away from this feeling? Is this a good emotional offer to accept? Are these good friends? You feel me? Like that type shit. You're not just taking any feelings. Look, I'm telling you, somebody outside of you may want to bring you feelings. someone want to work something out with you, but in the way this is looking, if this is you versus you, somebody bringing you feelings because they want to work something out with you, and it look like you accepting the feelings that someone bringing you. Like that. You feel me? Something may work out once upon a time, but it's like someone, and that's why you're in this seat to observe something. So it's like once upon a time, something may work out. You may have emotionally invested in something, or you've seen something working out a certain type of way. But now that it's like it didn't work, you may be defensive. You may no longer be expressing yourself immaturely in regards to how you feel, or you just may not be expressing emotions. Period. You're expressing passions now. Someone fell in love with you, or you fell in love with something. Look, you're going in a direction. It's like you're focused on manifesting the world you want to manifest, and while you're doing that whole time, someone may bring you emotions. Because it's like you're not focused on emotions right now, but someone may bring you emotions. And you may just accept those emotions. Look, you don't got to. Every Aquarius is different, of course. But it seems like someone want to work something out with you. Whether someone brings you an idea, like the business side. Look, you every fucking time you come out in Aquarius, reading an Aquarius reading, and the Aquarius card came out. You feel me? Every time you come out. Yeah, it's like someone want to heal something with you. And they can't heal something with you unless they bring something to you first. And then someone may bring something to you. You're not accepting lies anymore. So what they bring you, you will observe. But regardless, if this is you versus someone outside of you, then someone outside of you is bringing you some feelings because they want to heal the situation with you. And it's like healing the situation with you would heal everything else they got going on. Or just heal their reality. The mental reality or a third dimensional reality. Look, someone may be trying to manifest you. Fresher than me, because ain't nobody fresher than you. Hey, Aquarius is really be out here doing it though. I ain't never met an Aquarius that wasn't out here doing it. Aquarius sun at least. I never know where I'm damn. Well, I've met a couple. Let me stop. Yeah, look, you may be defensive though. And that's why you like this. You looking at the cup that's being brought to you. But someone may bring you a cup. Look, it's like you got over something. Something failed once upon a time. You healed your heart on the bottom, but this was on the split. You over something, you healed your heart, and you in the space to observe what you are offered and or what you receive. Emotional ideas or feelings from others. Ideas from others. You feel me? Now, someone may be bringing you some feelings, and you may accept those feelings because someone wants to heal something with you. But you still may be defensive in regards to what you were. It's like you may still hold your passion back. You're fresh to eternity. I got so much that I think I need therapy. Damn, stamping fist scale. Damn strong. Trigger soft. Family like a wishing whale. Oh, this is the last one though, so it's cool. Damn. Ooh, no, you cannot be, yeah, I'm telling you. It's like you defensive, and because you defensive, you may hold back your communication. Or you just may hold back how you express yourself, because you defensive. Look, you wounded though, you've been through something. Or you've been through a situation. Now, you may have love for a situation. You may love what somebody tells you. You may love the idea. You may love the emotion. You may love the feeling when it's like you doing something, you trying something again, you're giving something another swing, and it brings you feeling when you do it. Now, when you do this, it's like this feeling is kind of, you still got to get used to it. So you got to, it's like you're going to warm up to something almost. But you still may continue to do what it is you're doing because it's healing to you. You feel me? That's if it's you versus you. You're no longer accepting lies from people, places, and things outside you, or just lies from yourself. You're no longer letting your mind play tricks on you. Now you observing every idea that your mind brings you, every passion or every feeling your mind brings you, or every feeling someone outside of you brings you, because you know what will heal you. And you are receiving, and it's like you're taking the steps, whether you're accepting ideas, emotional ideas from yourself again, or just accepting feelings from something outside of you again. You may still be defensive and or hold back communication from whatever it is, but it's like you're still open to receive because you're in love with something. You're going to have to let me know, though. I'm going to fuck with you, though. Wait, what song is this? 5 o'clock somewhere. Shit, something. I'm telling you, feelings. Someone may be drinking in regards to the feelings they bringing you. But hey, listen, you're going to have to let me know. I'm going to fuck with you.